Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your debt consolidation plan with SoFi Lending, full guide step by step clearly. To update your debt consolidation plan with SoFi Lending, begin by gathering your existing financial information. This includes your current debts, interest rates, and monthly payments. Visit the SoFi website to access your account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the debt consolidation section. Review your current debt consolidation plan details. Identify any changes in your financial situation since your last update. Consider new debts, changes in income, or shifts in expenses. Calculate your total debt to see if it has changed. If you have additional debts, list them alongside the original debts. Assess your credit score to understand how it may affect your new plan. If your credit score has improved, you may qualify for better rates. Use SoFi's online tools to calculate potential savings. Explore different consolidation loan options available. Select the loan that best suits your updated financial needs. Complete the application process for the new debt consolidation loan. Be prepared to submit documentation verifying your income and debts. After submission, wait for SoFi to review your application. Once approved, carefully review the new terms and conditions. Confirm that the new plan aligns with your financial goals. Accept the loan agreement and follow the instructions provided. Use the funds from your new loan to pay off existing debts. Monitor your repayment progress through your SoFi account. Stay informed about any promotions or changes in interest rates. Schedule regular check-ins to reassess your debt consolidation plan. Adjust the plan again if necessary based on your evolving financial circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.